नेटिव जैसे बहुत सारी मॉम्स हैं जो सोचती भी होंगी अगर कि अनस्कूलिंग हम लोग करें या स्कूल नहीं भेजे बच्चे को, सो विल माय चाइल्ड बी एबल टू रीड और लर्न दैट बेसिक मैथ, वो कैसे करेंगे?
So I will tell you what our approach has been, but there are 1 million approaches. So when I also have my own community where, I am nurturing or let's say facilitating parents, I keep saying one thing: you have to come clear with your own needs. So you need to know what you can bring on table as a parent for your child. Okay. So first get crystal clear about आपको फंडामेंटली क्या चाहिए. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स हु से नहीं मुझे मैथ साइंस तो चाहिए, तो मैंने बोलती हूँ वो भी ठीक है. तो मैथ साइंस नाउ यू आर सेइंग कि मुझे मैथ साइंस ट्रेडिशनल वे में ही सिखाना है, तो ठीक है. सी it's like a constraint. We all live with a constraint in our life. So bring that constraint for a child and say this is my need. मुझे चाहिए कि मैथ साइंस आपको करना है, बाकी सारी चीज आप अपने इंटरेस्ट एरिया के हिसाब से कर लो. In my case, because I come from already a pretty unconventional background, for me those constraints were not there. I never, as I said, no, when my son was also in the womb, the idea only was not there कि मुझे मेरे बच्चे को कुछ सिखाना है. For me, unschooling is more like building up your own startup. The way you get invested in your startup in the initial time, you really have to build this system in your house. So unschooling is not like, again, for me, this might be a very different idea for different families. This is a very customized thing, I feel. But for me, it's more like creating your own structure. Like, I asked you a question, no, कि पेरेंट्स को चाहिए क्या, कहाँ जाना है, क्यों रैट रेस में दौड़ रहे हैं. पर ये सारे सवाल आप तब पूछोगे जब आपको पता होगा कि आपको क्या चाहिए. तो वो आपको क्या चाहिए, I personally feel should start from beginning. Like at the age of 30, suddenly if somebody will ask me क्या चाहिए, तो मैं सोचूंगी कहाँ से आ रही हूँ पहले तो. और इतना बड़ा बैगेज होगा of having no clarity about lot of things in life. So I feel we begin from age 0.
करेक्ट. सो यू क्रिएटेड योर ओन स्ट्रक्चर फॉर योर चाइल्ड कि मुझे उसको ये सब्जेक्ट इस वक्त पढ़ाना है.
नहीं, I don't teach. So in our I'll also explain the difference between homeschooling and unschooling. So again, these are like lot of terms that people have given, and as I say, it's a very customized thing. So people use different terms in their own way, but this is how I have understood and perceived. So homeschooling, unschooling, world schooling, road schooling, travel schooling, lot of things people name it. Okay. What I have understood is homeschooling is more like when you are not happy with the system and then you are saying, okay, let me teach my child home.
Correct.
So a lot of parents have come across who have said that no, मुझे तो subjects चाहिए. So they call tutor home और बच्चा वहाँ पे पढ़ता है. Rest of the time the child is exploring their interest area. बहुत सारे लोगों के केस में ऐसा भी होता है कि पेरेंट पढ़ा रहे हैं, like कुछ subjects वो पढ़ाते हैं ऐसा. In our case, how unschooling is different from homeschooling is unschooling does not have a curriculum. It's an interest-based education.
Okay.
So there are a lot of projects. And what I understood is the whole idea of learning itself is very distorted in education system. See, we don't learn in subjects. Understand? Okay. And that is why it's very fragmented idea. And the fragmentation of education system also has happened with a reason. Because the adult wanted to assess what the child has learned.
Right.
They had their needs. But that's not how learning happens. Learning is a very, very organic and complex process.
Correct.
And that is why every child's brain is different. Every child is learning different things at a different pace, different way. And that is why when I saw learning itself as, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 सिखाना है तो इसी तरीके से जा सकते हैं. ABCD सिखाना है, phonics ही ले सकते हैं, ऐसा. That's not how learning happens. Every child receives learning in a beautifully different way and the whole world become a classroom. So for us, we don't teach. But we have tried that also. Like initially the son was 4 or something and I still remember my husband tried, okay, chalo isko math sikhate hain. And he's set and the child is like, he's looking here and there and my husband is feeling why he's not paying attention. But then we realized, okay, we are trying to feed him something that he's not hungry about, right? So then we started building more experiences for him. So how our unschooling journey happens is, we take them to the real world.
Achha.
So his major calculation has happened in the provision stores. Because everything that he needs, he has to go and buy for himself from age 2. So he will go, he will calculate, I'll give him 50 rupees. So पहले तो ऐसे ही आ गया. फिर मैंने बोला change कहाँ है? So he's like, हाँ? Go and get a change. So he still
Yeah.
he didn't understand what the change really means.
Yeah.
उसको समझ नहीं आया. But then because he is leading the life, you see,
Yeah.
responsibility, freedom comes hand in hand. तो वो वापस गया. फिर अंकल के सामने ऐसे देखा. अंकल ने बोला हाँ हाँ रुको रुको देता हूँ. फिर वापस कुछ पैसे दिए. Now he's structuring his learning.
Correct.
उसके concepts वो खुद build कर रहा है. I do not have to get into his head and उसको पूरा डिस्टॉर्ट करके मैं उसको एनालाइज करके सोचूं उसने कैसे किया. वो हाउ पार्ट मैटर ही नहीं करता हमारी जर्नी में. सो इन आवर केस एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कैलकुलेशन टू सब्सट्रैक्शन टू एडिशन टू whatever reading, and today he reads, oh my god, he can read definitely 5 to 7 books a day.
Wow.
Harry Potter and everything. You name the author and he's done with it at the age of 8 and all. Okay,
My
he's a
God.
crazy reader. And sometimes you have to pull him back. मतलब ये family time चल रहा है. खेलो हमारे साथ क्या book के साथ हो ऐसा.
Wow.
So, but we still don't know how he learned reading.
That's
So we
right.
don't kind of fragment the whole process of learning. We let it be extremely natural and organic.
Correct.
But this all is possible when we have a deep trust in the child.
And how does a day in your child's life looks like? क्योंकि generally कैसे होता है ना कि अगर बच्चा स्कूल जा रहा है, classes जा रहा है, there's a schedule that he
Schedule is something that is very dynamic.
Hmm.
So it changes from phase to phase.
right.
So when he was in the Lego mode, he had more of his time with Legos. Now he's writing his book.
Hmm.
So he spends some time on the project. So he designs his schedule and all. And that's also very push and pull and all of those things happen.
Yeah.
He goes for tennis and then he also joined music in between. But then, so we design the day or a week together.
Hmm.
So planning is something that we do together, and then the implementation part comes under him now. But initially, it used to be a lot of things where I was fully involved in the process.
एंड एज अ पेरेंट जैसे हम लोग जब स्कूल में भेजते हैं बच्चों को तो वी आर जस्ट अ फैसिलिटेटर आई फील सारा पढ़ाना वो सारा जो काम है वो टीचर्स कर लेते हैं सो व्हाट इज अ पेरेंट्स रोल व्हेन वी आर अनस्कूलिंग द किड
Two things comes under our area as a parent, me and my husband together. One is the exposure.
Hmm.
So when people say that the child will, how the child will become real world ready, I say it's exactly opposite. The child is from day one interacting with the real world. We bring lot of exposure in a child's life. We are constantly, every single day evenings we are going out, all the exhibitions, all the tech fair, anything happening in the city will become his exposure.
Right.
Travel is one of the most beautiful way where children learn so much.
Hmm.
They understand cultures and lot of
Absolutely.
things, languages. They
The
adapt
best
like
way of learning.
Yeah. So exposure comes under our area, and
Hmm.
second is resources.
Okay.
So let's say when my child was too much interested into robotics and all, I bring those resources home so that he can build that, right?
Hmm.
If the child is interested in painting, it comes under your area where you can build those resources for the child.
Right.
So these two things we take care of. Rest of the learning thing and all.
But for the moms or the parents who are listening to this and both are working एंड वो लोग इतना टाइम नहीं दे पाएंगे दे फील कि हम इतना एक्सपोजर भी नहीं दे सकते हमारे पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं है कि हम उसको ट्रैवल भी कराएं या हम उसको प्रोजेक्ट्स कराएं या देन व्हाट
I always begin with the one question. Just ask yourself, what do you want? Simple.
इट्स अ डिलेमा मतलब अपना काम छोड़ के
हाँ, so-
यू हैव टू गिव दैट टाइम टू द किड
So initially, as I said, when you are building up, let's say you are an entrepreneur, right? You are building up your system. So you have to give time, right? Because
यू
you're
हैव
not
टू बी
hiring.
वेरी क्लियर कि नहीं
Yeah.
मुझे बच्चे
Ask
लिए ये
yourself, what do
चाहिए
you want? Simple. You want your career? Go ahead. That's a beautiful choice. If you want this for your child, then go ahead. That's a beautiful choice. All of it are just choices.
God.
And this one question I keep repeating, even in my community, I keep asking everybody. Every time that you're feeling, I want to do this or ye nahi ho raha hai, wo nahi ho raha hai, just go ahead and ask yourself, what do you want?
What do you
What is in your priority?
God.
Your priority decides your next path.
Right.
Because when you are willing to do something, automatically the paths open.
राइट एंड जैसे आपने रिसोर्सेज की बात की सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ कोर्स प्राइवेट स्कूल्स तो इतने एक्सपेंसिव है ही सो क्या रिसोर्सेज जो हम अनस्कूलिंग में भी यूज़ करते हैं आर दे इक्वली एक्सपेंसिव उतना ही फाइनेंस जाता है
for us that hasn't been true, but I wouldn't say that's exactly how for everybody. So again, it's a very, very dynamic and relative
Hmm.
term, like
Got it. It's
expense,
subjective.
very subjective. But what I have learned, after all this 10 years of journey is we really have to do very less.
Hmm.
I keep saying this to parents, if you want to have more in your child, then do less and bring less.
Hmm.
Because the more constrained children have, the more creative they become. Like simple example, we can go back to our childhood when we had limited toys.
Hmm.
We learned so many things, no?
Yeah.
जो है उसमें से कितना बना लेते थे.
Yeah.
But now I think it's a problem of plenty.
Absolutely.
हर चीज इतनी abundance में है, बच्चा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. And then parents come and complain, मेरा बच्चा तो एक चीज पे टिकता ही नहीं है.
वो तो है.
10 मिनट से ज्यादा एक टॉय खेलता ही नहीं है. तो I'm like,
ये हर घर की कहानी.
क्या मतलब मैं सोचती हूँ क्यों कर रहे हैं यार.
Yeah.
So what we are doing, you understand this simple,
Yeah.
okay? We are trying to replace our time with toys,
Correct.
but that's not helping the child.
सो अगर बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं तो हाउ अबाउट सोशलाइजिंग, जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं तो वी मीट सो मैनी पीपल, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पीपल, अलग अलग टाइप के लोग मिलते हैं, उनके साथ डील करना सीखते हैं. सो हाउ डू दे लर्न ऑल दिस?
So when I'm saying that we have questioned every idea on this earth, like, if somebody will say my child is not disciplined, I'll question what is discipline for you.
Yeah.
So when somebody will say what, how the child socialize, I would say what is socializing for you. Okay. And I personally feel that school is kind of a secluded space. The child is only mingling with, let's say, those 200 people.
Yeah, but 200 people,
Yeah,
some
but
of them are very good to you, some of them are bullies,
Correct.
आपको bully
But
करेंगे.
here, the child is constantly interacting with the world. So every, relative space or everywhere we are traveling or every person that we are meeting is also building a connection with the child. Because child is constantly interacting with the real world. Also, the whole idea of age, same age group, peer, and all of those is questioned here. Now, this Finland and everybody is coming up with this idea of, having mixed age groups. Why? Because there are lot of different dynamics that plays a role when child is interacting with different age groups.
Right.
So in unschooling, child is friends with 14-year also and 4-year also. So I see it as like the whole world is there to socialize with the child. And there is a huge role of community that lot of people do not understand. But I have always said this, I've always been in a favor of community. And that's why I keep building one because it takes a village to raise a child. It's as simple as that.
Absolutely.
And when I personally feel school is like more limiting in this way, but the more exposure we give children in terms of their experiences with the world, and we have a community where they are constantly interacting and learning from each other, different age groups and exploring and everything, I don't think this whole question of socializing really comes in our journey picture, at least.
So कभी भी अपनी इस journey में, your journey of 10 years, I think, have you ever felt that guilt या ऐसे कभी lowest feel हुआ है कि no, I'm not doing right या
बहुत बार so many times, right? See, guilt तो नहीं होता, but then fear jumps in lot of times. And those are like one of the major thing that you keep feeling in this journey, is that my child is not doing anything. और मैं enough नहीं कर रही हूँ ऐसा.
क्योंकि दूसरों के बच्चों को देख के कि वो ये भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है, my child is not learning all this.
नहीं, वो
तो कभी
comparison mode नहीं रहता है, because we are very conscious that we do not compare our lives with anybody else and similarly child with any other child. But when he is not passionately working for his project or something like that, it kind of triggers me because I come from a very different set of mindset and ideologies, and my husband is there then to rescue the whole scene.
Situation.
So he would come and ask, Vishruti, what is the hurry?
Amazing.
कहाँ पहुँचना है और क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसा? We are doing all of these things so that we can have the real joys of life every single day, every single minute.
Wow.
At the cost of that joy, what are you going to achieve? वो एक project नहीं कर लिया तो क्या लुट जाएगा यार? क्यों कर रही हो? And those reminders are so beautiful from the family itself. वो सारा फिर वो ease कर लेता है. हाँ,
कि चलो ठीक है.
And also a lot of documentation helps because one thing that I kept learning in my unschooling journey was that if I document it well, every time that I feel, oh, he's not doing it, if you just go and scroll through that, we realize, oh my God, he has done so much. I have done so much.
Yeah.
And
We've come so far.
yeah, we've come so far. So maybe nobody will come to us and validate that, but फिर आपको वो चाहिए भी नहीं,
Hmm.
because your family becomes the space that
Yeah.
holds space for you, and second, they are the reminders.
Right.
Sometimes I
And one last question. So, जो parents सोच रहे हैं might be thinking of unschooling, but still have that one doubt. उनके लिए that first step that they should take towards this journey.
action. Just do it. Nobody has learned without doing it. Understand. The information might just make you feel great about yourself because you'll feel you have the knowledge. But unless you will do it, you will never know exactly what is working out and what is not working out for you.
Beautiful.
And this is not a path where, copy pasting will help. Because every parent is different, every father is different, every mother is different, every child is different. And the dynamic between two parents are also very different in every house.
Yeah.
And needs of the parents and needs of the child, it's so different. तो जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि जब किसी एक सिस्टम को तुम बोरो नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर क्यों ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम के साथ हुक्ड ऑन होके किसी की भी जिंदगी को बोरो करो. So I keep telling my community members also कि भाई you don't have to like fancy our journey.
Yeah.
You build your own. Stick to your own truth. Find your own truth.
So beautifully said.
So
Amazing. Amazing. I'm so inspired. मैं कल जाके ये discuss ना करने बैठूं that I'm also going to do this. So yeah, so I have a final round of rapid fire for you, जहाँ पर I'm going to give you some common parent dilemmas and I want to see your gut reactions.
sure.
Yeah. My 4-year-old refuses to sit for online classes. Quick solution.
I'll ask myself why I want him to sit.
वो नहीं बैठेगा. Best age to transition from traditional school to unschooling.
Age 0.
One book every conscious parent must read.
Between parent and child.
Biggest red flag in traditional education today.
Many, but one of is comparison and no collaboration.
How to handle a child's tantrum consciously in public.
Ask yourself, what are you feeling? See what your child is feeling. Detach your feelings from your own self. Stay in tune with your child's feeling. Validate, and then things will settle.
Screen time limit for different ages. Your recommendation.
Ask the child and see what works best for you.
Most overrated parenting trend right now.
Gentle parenting itself. I feel
Hi.
all the gentle parenting are slowly getting converted into permissive parenting. It's becoming
Yeah.
child-led parenting.
Exactly.
वो नहीं करना है यार. It has to be a balance between these two. Parents' needs are also important as well as the child's needs. तो बीच में आओ कहीं पे.
Gentle parents, please ये सुन लो. मैं सच में वो gentle parenting के reels देख के ऐसे सोचती हूँ क्या हो रहा है. One thing schools do that you wish parents would stop doing at home.
Hitting.
Schools.
हाँ बहुत सारे अभी भी चल रहा है ट्रेडिशनल. मतलब वो तो बंद ही कर दो. मैं शाउटिंग येलिंग तो जा ही नहीं रही हूँ. पर प्लीज फिजिकल हिटिंग, आई मीन the damage is huge.
How to know if unschooling is working?
If you are able to stay more present, if you feel spiritually more aligned, and if you are able to enjoy your every single day as if it's your last day of your life, if you're sleeping with the feeling that this is it, even if life ends in this moment, I have lived fully, that's the sign that you are on the right path.
Amazing. Your mantra when parenting gets overwhelming.
Build your support system. Have a partnership with your partner who can hold space for you, because you will lose it a lot of times, but you need a emotionally safe space, but that you will have to build. It's a hard work.
Amazing. You're so inspiring, Vishruti. I'm so inspired. This was so insightful. Thank you so much for sharing all this with me and my audience today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for inviting. It was a beautiful conversation. While sharing also, there are so many reflections that I go through.
Absolutely.
Learning so much.
Even I was going back and back to my situations कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. I think मेरे audience के साथ भी same होने वाला है when they are going to listen to this episode. So thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
inviting. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this episode till the end. अगर ये episode आपको helpful, insightful और informational लगा हो, do not forget to share with a parent who needs to see this episode. And like, subscribe करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. Bye.